me? Oh my God! It's Red Rexy! Oh, you just got car wash? Yeah, me too. Yeah, fucker. That shit look clean, fucker. Oh my God. Fucker, shit. Anicho! Oi! Let me see that, John. Ooh!
With that.
Ooh!
Wow.
God damn. Shit. Oh my goodness. You guys that are new to this channel, that is not my ride height. I'm aired up. Static for life though. Alright, so today we got two things to do. One, we're gonna install that carbon fiber steering wheel on his car, the red one, Red Rexy, you know. Two, I'm gonna paint my brake calipers. See, look at this. Wheel, right? Looks so good, but then you look inside and it's just like all crusty and ugly and stuff. So we're gonna paint them gloss black. I mean, I think it's gonna look good because the whole theme of my car is black and white, you know what I'm saying? It's basic. So I've never done it. He's never done it. But if I mess up, then whatever, like, you know? I don't know how I'm gonna mess it up. But you know me, I always figure a way out to mess something up. First things first, we're gonna clean these off. I'm gonna spray it with some degreaser, then I'm gonna scrub it, you know, get it a little clean. It's starting to rain, but it's not supposed to rain, and I think it's just a cloud, so go away!
They're probably asking why aren't you inside the garage?
Oh yeah, we're not in the garage because, I don't know, we just send it. That's why. This is what we're doing right now. We're cleaning this. Feel me? Scrub, you know? Take a rag, you know, get all the little inside pieces. Boom, boom, boom. I'm hoping this thing comes out good. Next step is to mask off all the stuff that you don't want to get paint on. So I got a trash bag. And yeah, we're gonna mask off the car too. Yeah.
You mask off the car? Wow. The whole car?
No, boy, just the fenders and the quarter panels. Like, this is the front. I got both sides.
Nice and tight, like your butt.
Fuck her, bitch. Oh my God, fuck her. All right, now we gotta get these two.
You do that shit, fuck her?
Yeah, baby. Yeah, look at my car. Look how dirty it is.
That's like your ass.
Damn. Yo, dirty.
Yeah, look, let me do it. Let me help them out.
Oh, hell nah. Hell nah. So this kind of looks crazy right now. This was Nelson's job right here. This is mine. He's like...
Oh, you don't do that. You did way too much. You're always doing it.
I didn't want to get overspray on my car, yo. I was scared. So...
You can tell what I did and what you did.
He did this. I did this. But yeah, we got it all masked off. So now we're gonna hit it with some primer. I'm gonna start with the light coat. Feel me? See, look at that. It would have like sprayed all over my car.
Be quiet.
Wow, you're good with the hand, huh? So this high heat paint, and it's drying now. And then we're gonna hit it with some gloss. So this is how it looks right now. It's like matte, glossy and shiny and nice and clean, and can't wait to see what it looks like with the wheels on. But from here, it looks pretty good. Tell me why my freaking other gloss was white. Like, what the hell? It says gloss on it, but it was white. So I had to redo that one. But looks good. Looks pretty good. All right, now it's time to do his steering wheel. Let's go do that. Wow, nice Evo. All right, so.
Go ahead, explain.
All right, so we gotta pop this off. He already did the bottom one.
Yeah.
Then there's two. Where is it?
Right here.
Oh, there's one on this side. What is it, a screw?
No, it's like a little clip you gotta pry up
So
on.
it's a clip on this side and the other side.
And the bottom side.
And the bottom. So once you do that, that should come off.
Make sure you get a light, because it makes it a lot easier to get down and dirty. Ouch.
Down and dirty in that booty. So you stick a flathead inside of here, poke it out.
Yeah, you can see it right here, look. See right here? This clip right here, this one. So all you gotta do is like pry it, and it would like just pop right out.
Yeah.
Ooh, that scared me. Why you step back? I'm scared. Exploded. What the heck?
Hell no. And then you just unloosen this,
So yeah.
take it out, put the new one in, bam, bada boom. Damn.
It's bigger. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. It
Easy?
came right off, yeah. So?
Nice. Hit the top of it.
Wow.
There you go. Yeah.
Amazing. Now
Pop it off, baby.
That scared me. Hey, what are you doing? Taking
Holy
my
shit.
Why are you taking the whole thing? I see you have one. When did I say that?
Dude, shut your mouth.
I have these coming in carbon, so I was trying to be like Mauricio.
Chill out.
They're gonna be here on Monday, so now just
And bam, just like that.
that was pretty quick to
It's
do.
in. Damn, this one like, it's really thick. You know what else is thick? Your fingers, boy.
Don't talk. Do not talk, bro. Please don't talk.
Let's compare.
Go ahead.
Let's compare. Damn, my finger got messed up, bro.
Go ahead. Come on.
Dude, you're sus. Oh shoot, my freaking thing fell off. Dude,
It's hot.
shut up. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, Devoted gang. Feel me? I joined Devoted. Yeah, Devoted. Hey! Night Troopers? Yo, I still need my banner. Well, look who it is. Puta, oh my goodness. Rum. Rum. Rum, boom, 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 boom. Damn. You mad? Yeah, I'm mad. Damn. Calm down. Woo-hoo. Hey, that should sound good though. Damn. Okay. I'm about to air this joint out. So, I gotta tell you guys something. My freaking quarter panels were like going inwards because it was like going between here. So I like popped them out and I'm about to air out again. See what's good. Oh man, these look so much better. It looks good in person. Can't really tell in the video, but I like them. But yeah, guys, I'm back home. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yo, what the hell? Yo! I don't know what the hell that was, but I took my ass back inside. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, whatever you guys want to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.